You need to hear this if you're tired of sneezing non-stop. This quick tip will change your life. Hi everyone! Today, I'll share an amazingly simple home remedy to stop sneezing using something you probably already have in your kitchen. Drumroll please. Black pepper! Yep, you heard that right. Black pepper is a natural powerhouse when it comes to inducing sneezes and clearing those stubborn nasal passages. Here's how it works. The strong scent of black pepper stimulates your nasal membranes, making you sneeze and clearing out any irritants. To try this at home, just take a pinch of freshly ground black pepper and give it a gentle whiff. You might feel a tickle in your nose, and before you know it, achoo! Instant relief. Remember, a little goes a long way, so don't overdo it. And if you're sensitive to pepper, please skip this one. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Bye for now and happy sneezing.